This Sinatruck Howo 6 for concrete mixer truck serves as a core workhorse for infrastructure projects. It is equipped with mature Weikai engine, delivering ample power to tackle rough and muddy construction site roads. The large sealed mixing drum keeps rotating continuously during transit, avoiding concrete solidification and segregation to guarantee stable material quality. Thickened reinforced frame provides outstanding load-bearing capacity. The full hydraulic system runs smoothly with low failure rate, realizing fast feeding and discharging.